Today we'll be previewing yet another beautiful Tri-5 Chevrolet here at Autoworld of Conway. This particular model, 1955. There's been long debates about which year 55, 6, or 7 Bel Air is most popular. Personally, I like the 55. A little bit boxier in style. This one finished like an orangish red over white. Still retains its 15-inch steel wheels and full hubcaps. The body on this car is pretty nice. Not crazy nice, but something that you would not be ashamed to take to your local cruise-in or car show. See a little paint moss here. Interior, it's been reupholstered. Obviously, you see the super tack there. 3-speed manual was on the column, now moved to the floor. Appears to me that both the front and rear bumpers have been replaced and present very well. A little age showing on some of the chrome here on this turn signal. The grille also, to me, appears to be original. So not perfect, but pretty nice. Same thing with the bird. So about 42,000 of these convertibles were produced in 1955. I don't know why, you just don't tend to see them out and about and around. A lot of resto mods. Those are new 15-inch white ball tires. And again, the idea for these videos is for transparency purposes. So a little pitting on the chrome there. The dash in nice condition. Horn works. You also see an aftermarket gauge setup here, sun gauges, as well as a functioning AM/FM radio. So, round to the back side here, in original tail light bezels, dual exhaust, this two-tone white, to me is very appealing. You can see a little bit of age in the white paint as we look here. And it presents very well, just not perfect show. Top works manually. Here inside, see it. Oil change, August 7th, 1979, which as I watch this, that's actually my birth date. It's pretty crazy. I just noticed that. The Hearst shifter here in the interior, 3-speed again. Engine, you see 265 cubic inch V8. Generator, 2-barrel carburetor. Manual steering, manual drum brakes. This car was in storage for quite a few years. It was purchased from North Wilkesboro, North Carolina, along with 21 other classic cars. So let's fire her up. Alright, so here we are. There we go. The tachometer functioning there. The car is very quiet. You can probably tell. Place really body work that I can see on the exterior. You have to really look close, but you know what you're looking at. You can just see it right there. Again, the idea for these videos is to be fully transparent, so that way you can buy with confidence and understand exactly what to expect when the car arrives. It's our 17th year in business, and we sure do strive for 100% customer satisfaction and enjoy the process of helping people find their dream car. And I know that this car is one of mine. One of yours too. One of my favorite things about these are the Chevrolet logos. This trim, the aluminum trim here. Take a look in the trunk. The spare tire carrier here. This mat was glued down at some point, so you see the glue residue. But I don't see any oxidation or anything to be concerned with back here. This is still glued down pretty good. It's like a bunch of tar or something there. Undercoating, not really for sure. But again, what a beautiful car. So thank you for spending time with me here at Autoworld of Conway, where we have good cars for good people.